Soundcore AeroFit 2 Pro dual-mode open-ear earbuds. The Soundcore AeroFit 2 Pro is a next-generation pair of wireless earbuds introduced by Anchor Innovations under its Soundcore brand at CES 2026 in January 2026. With a retail price of $179.99, these earbuds stand out in the premium audio market because of their innovative dual-mode design, which allows users to switch between open-ear listening and active noise-canceling ANC earbuds within the same device. This unique concept aims to eliminate the need for two separate headphones by giving users the flexibility to enjoy situational awareness during outdoor activities while still having the option of immersive noise-canceled audio in noisy environments such as offices, gyms, or public transportation. The AeroFit 2 Pro uses a patented adjustable earhook system that allows the drivers to shift position depending on the selected mode. In open-ear mode, the speakers sit just outside the ear canal, providing breathable comfort and allowing users to hear surrounding sounds such as traffic or conversations, which is ideal for running, cycling, or walking in busy areas. When the ear hooks pivot inward, the earbuds create a light seal at the ear canal entrance and activate Adaptive ANC 3.0, combining passive noise isolation with active noise cancellation to reduce environmental noise and deliver a more focused listening experience. This adaptive system analyzes surrounding noise up to 380,000 times per second and can adjust the noise canceling level up to 180 times per minute to match changing environments. In terms of audio performance, each earbud features a custom 11.8mm composite driver with a TPU surround and LCP diaphragm, designed to deliver powerful bass, detailed mids, and clear treble. The earbuds support high-res wireless audio via the LDAC codec, enabling high-quality audio streaming on compatible devices. They also include 360-degree spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, creating an immersive listening experience similar to surround sound. Built-in sensors automatically detect how the earbuds are worn and adjust EQ, volume, and sound balance accordingly, ensuring consistent audio quality regardless of whether the user is in open-ear or ANC mode. The AeroFit 2 Pro also integrates advanced communication features. A 6-microphone array with AI noise reduction improves call clarity by filtering out background noise, making voice calls clearer even in crowded environments. The earbuds connect through Bluetooth 6.1 with multi-point support, allowing them to pair with multiple devices simultaneously and switch seamlessly between them. Additionally, the Soundcore app includes AI assistant features and real-time translation support for up to 100 languages, adding productivity and travel convenience. For durability and everyday use, the earbuds carry an IP55 rating for dust and water resistance, protecting them from sweat and light rain, which makes them suitable for workouts and outdoor activities. Battery life depends on the listening mode. The earbuds offer up to 7 hours of playback in open-ear mode, or about 5 hours with ANC enabled, while the charging case extends total usage to 34 hours in open-ear mode or 24 hours with ANC. A 10-minute fast charge can deliver approximately 3.5 hours of listening time, and the case also supports wireless charging. The earbuds feature 5 adjustable earhook positions, weigh around 10.4 grams per bud, and come in multiple color options such as matte black, gloss white, matte purple, and gloss blue. Overall, the Soundcore AeroFit 2 Pro represents a major step forward in wireless audio innovation by combining the comfort and awareness of open-ear headphones with the immersive capabilities of ANC earbuds. Its flexible design, advanced noise-canceling technology, high-resolution audio support, and smart features make it one of the most versatile earbuds introduced in 2026.